Hello students, how are you? I think all of you will be fine. So today we are going to learn about our NCERT book class 4 subject math chapter 3 a trip to Bhopal and page number 25 and 26. If you have not seen the previous video of this chapter, so you should go in description and follow the link. Here you can see this is the page number 25 of your book. The topic is the journey begins. So let's start this video. First of all, he want to say something. Come on now. Get in fast. It's already 9 o'clock. It means he want to say that it's time 9 o'clock, so everyone come on fast. Now here, as the buses start moving, children sing at the top of their voices. When start the bus, the children sing loudly in excitement. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields and the hills. And some students looking outside through the window and enjoying the green field and hills. Indra says that when will we reach Bhopal? And Miss Asha, if we do not stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around 10 o'clock. Now you can guess what will be the time after 2 hours. First of all, you can see here, when we start to move, that time was 9 o'clock. Now you can tell me after 2 hours what time will be. I think that time will be 9 plus 2, 11 o'clock. Now here, Manjeet, is it very far? Mr. Bhimsen, it is about 70 kilometers. Ruby, are we going to stop anywhere? Mr. Rakesh says that maybe at Bhimbetka, about 50 kilometers from here. We should remember this. The distance from here to Bhopal about 70 kilometers. Now here, if they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there. Now you can tell me, if they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there. What time will be when they will reach Bhimbetka? They will reach before 10 o'clock or between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock or after 11 o'clock. First, you can see here, when the time will be 11 o'clock, that time they will reach in Bhopal. It means this option is wrong. It means Bhimbetka comes before Bhopal. You can see here the distance of Bhimbetka about 50 kilometers and distance of Bhopal is 70 kilometers. You know that how much time to reach Bhopal, that is 2 hours. It means the bus travel 70 kilometers in 2 hour. It means 35 kilometer in 1 hour, because this is half time of this and this distance is half this distance. Now you can see here the distance of Bhimbetka is 50 kilometer. It means they will take more time than 1 hour. So you can see what time will be, because we start moving at 9 o'clock. So after 1 hour will be 10 o'clock. It means something more in 10 o'clock. So answer of this question is between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. Next, as they are talking, Bahadur shouted, "Hi, look at the Narmada." When they are talking, Bahadur shouted, "Hi, look at the Narmada." Everyone looks out of the windows. Ruby says that, "Wow, it is so long and so wide. Let us guess how wide it is." So you can see a pic of Narmada and guess how long and how wide this Narmada river. After this, Gopi says that, "Oh, 100 meters. No, it is much more. Cannot say." Victoria, "It must be more than half a kilometer. You know that half a kilometer equal to 500 meters. Miss Asha, "Look, it is written this bridge is 756.82 meters long." Asha says that the length of the bridge is 756.82 meters because this is written. So we can guess that the Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place. You can think about it. I think the wide of Narmada is less than the bridge. It means the wide of Narmada less than this measurement. Was Victoria right? But here Sadaf, "I just cannot imagine 500 meters. But here he want to say that he cannot imagine it. How much? 500 meters. Miss Asha, see, our bus is about 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge." Here Asha says that the length of our bus about 5 meters. So you can guess how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. So you can see here, have you ever crossed a long bridge? If you crossed any bridge, so you can say here yes. About how many meters long was it? And you can write here the length of that bridge. If you crossed any other bridge, so you can write here the length of that bridge. Otherwise, you can write the length of this Narmada bridge. That is 756.82 meters. And next, everyone looks down at the river. Mr. Rakesh, the water level now is quite low. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. It means the water level of Narmada river is very low, about 40 meters from the bridge. Miss Asa, but in the rainy season the water had risen. Then it was just about 15 meters below the bridge. It means when the rainy season, then the water level will increase, and that time 15 meters below the bridge. Next, what is the difference between the water level of the Narmada in the rainy season and now? This time water level is 40 meters. So you can write here, and when rainy season the water level will increase and it reached about 15 meters. So the difference between these level. So you can subtract it, and we will get here about 25. You can see here 25 meters. The answer of the question is 25 meters. So that the children discuss about the river for some time. So this is completed, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.